In the SwiftUI application, how we can check different variations of the UI. Now you can see this, the button next to the selectable selects here. This is the selectable, and after that you can see this variants. You have to press that, and the first option is color scheme variants. This the color scheme displays your view in light and dark modes. Here I selected that. Then you can select particular view by pressing on this device. Then you can preview that. Now we are going to go to the next option called orientation variants. Orientation shows devices in each supported rotation. You can see it is in the portrait and landscape, in the left and the right. Okay, now the last one is dynamic type variants. You can see the dynamic type shows device with the varying size of fonts. The font sizes are different in each variety. Okay,